How are potato flakes made from potatoes? It all begins with receiving fresh potatoes, unloaded via dumper into the hopper. Next, the potatoes go through pre-cleaning, using a finger or spiral roller to remove any dirt and loose soil. The potatoes are then elevated using a trough belt. The potatoes are transported to fill multiple storage hoppers, which act as a buffer in the line. Through pneumatic sliders, the potatoes are efficiently filled into multiple storage hoppers. These hoppers unload the potatoes onto a bottom conveyor. The destoner removes any stones, clods, and debris from the produce. The potatoes then undergo thorough cleaning in the drum washer. In the next step, the steam peeler softens the potato skins for easy removal, followed by a peeler that eliminates any remaining skin. The peeled potatoes are cleaned again in the drum washer, and dirty water from this process is drained into flumes at the bottom. This water is processed in a filter drum to separate waste and ensure sustainability. Washed potatoes are manually inspected on roller belts to identify and remove any defective potatoes. The selected potatoes are sliced into smaller pieces, preparing them for further processing. These slices go through blanching to stabilize quality and are quickly cooled down to maintain freshness. The cooled pieces are then cooked and mashed into a smooth consistency. The mashed potatoes are spread evenly over a drum dryer to remove all moisture, forming them into dried sheets. These sheets are broken into smaller pieces by a mill sifter, transforming them into flakes. Finally, the potato flakes are carefully weighed and packed into bags and stored in cold chambers to preserve freshness and quality. With Allround Vegetable Processing's advanced equipment and expertise, transforming fresh potatoes into high-quality potato flakes becomes an efficient and reliable process.